beauties, it's me, Allegra. I'm super excited because I have some new Dior makeup to play with today. So I figured we could test it out together. I haven't tried a lot of these items yet, so I'm really excited to try them out with you beauties. And I also did just get some new earbuds that I'm really excited to share with you as well, because these earbuds come with a makeup mirror and they're so stylish and so beautiful. I actually love to wear them while I apply my makeup. And they have ANC active noise reduction, so they're so relaxing to put them in your ears and do your makeup and totally zone out.
And beauties, believe it or not, these beautiful headphones are selling hot on Amazon. Search now Air Nora 2 and take them home for almost half the price.
So this is them right here. These are the Air Nora 2 from Bezos. And these are so amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and even put them in now while I do my makeup, because you can listen to music, of course, while you get ready, while you do your makeup. It does have this beautiful makeup mirror inside this beautiful suede case that it comes in. And I just love the orange color. Do you beauties love it? It's just this beautiful kind of terracotta tangerine shade, just so stunning, very Hermes. And I absolutely love how compact it is, how soft the suede is, but then it does have this beautiful makeup mirror inside, so you can use this to do your makeup on the go. It's small, but it's very effective. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready and test out this new Dior makeup, and I'm actually going to put in my earbuds. These are actually the Makeup Mirror wireless earbuds by Lady Girl, and they're just absolutely beautiful. They're so comfy in your ear. They'll fit large ears or small ears. As you can see, they're very stylish. They're also that same beautiful orange tone. So I love to wear these. Even now, they're canceling out any background noise, and it's so relaxing. It helps you to feel so centered. So let's go ahead now and test out this new makeup. So the first thing actually, I guess, that I will try is this new eyeshadow palette that I got from Dior. So as you can see, I'm totally on this terracotta orange tangerine kick, because this color was just calling my name. It just perfectly even matches the Lady Girl earbuds. They have this beautiful gradient tone to them, and this eyeshadow palette also can create that same effect. So I'm just going to dip right into this beautiful shade here, and I'm just going to apply that to my lid. And I can actually even use the mirror on my Air Nora 2s, because it's just such a great mirror. Even though it's small and compact, it's great for travel, but it truly works and does such a great job at helping you to do your makeup and to relax while you have your earbuds in. So this color is just so beautiful. So even right now with the earbuds in, I just feel so relaxed. I just feel so much more calm and centered, because they provide 90% in noise cancellation. So right now my ears are just feeling so good. My whole energy feels incredible, because I'm not hearing, a lot of the noise that I normally would. And I don't even, again, have music on. Just having these earbuds in alone is just making me feel so relaxed. But if you do want to listen to music while you do your makeup, or any time that you just want to have, your music on while you're exercising or be on your way to work, these earbuds do offer 360-degree surround sound. So the sound in itself is amazing if you're listening to podcasts, if you're going to work again and you want to cancel out the noise around you. You can just put your Bezos earbuds in and you're going to just zone out. So I just love the 3D spatial audio, and I'm just going to use this shade here now on the lid. And with these earbuds, there are 3 modes available, and they are compatible with Bluetooth 5.3 technology. So you can hook up to any of your Apple devices, Google devices, Samsung, any devices out there. These earbuds from Bezos are compatible with. And beauties, these earbuds are also so lightweight that they sit so comfortably in your ear. They're actually only 0.15 ounces. That's how much these weigh. And so you can wear them in your ears for a very long time and they will not cause you any discomfort. They feel light as air. You actually don't even feel like you have anything in your ear. That is what is so amazing about them as well. And how beautiful do they look? I think they're just so stylish. They look so good. They're not bulky. They feel so good in your ear. Again, you feel like you have nothing in your ear and the sound is amazing, and I just love this mirror. I just love using this to get ready and relax. And usually I will, though, listen to music, some kind of, you know, uplifting music while I do my makeup. And this beautiful case that they come in just feels so good in your hand. So it just feels so luxurious. And if you're out doing your makeup, the compact in itself just looks so stylish, so luxurious. And then I have here this new Dior Face and Body Foundation. Now, if you have tried this foundation before, it is so beautiful, but they have reformulated it. So at Dior, they are aiming to create more of a clean beauty brand. And so this is basically now essentially clean beauty ingredients, whereas before it was not, but now it is. So let me go ahead and try it. This is just an absolutely beautiful finish. It's so lightweight and yet it gives so much coverage. And these earbuds are just doing the most amazing job at canceling out any background noise. You can really focus on what you're doing. If there's a lot of noise in your house, if there's a lot of things that are distracting you, maybe your family's watching TV or the kids or dogs or who knows what. I know there's so much noise in my house. And so these earbuds have been just everything at helping me to stay more focused, helping me to feel calmer, helping me to feel stress-free, because they're just essentially blocking out all of the noise around me. And the battery lasts super long as well. They have up to 30 hours of battery life, so that's so amazing. So I am just so in love with this foundation. It gives so much coverage, yet it's a dewy, natural finish. It's also said to be waterproof. And even though I have oily skin, it would stay for me all day. So if you do have oily skin, this foundation really should work well for you. Dry skin as well. On dry skin, it's moisturizing, and on oily skin, it just gives a dewy radiance to your skin. And I'm just gonna try out this new blush here from Dior, also now reformulated with clean beauty ingredients, and they do have new shades to match a variety of different complexions. So I'm absolutely loving this blush. It actually even looks to me like a liquid blush, but in a powder form. It's just giving that luminosity and that radiance and that movement, but in a powder form. So it's just absolutely beautiful. I thought maybe this shade of blush would be too bright for me, but actually I do feel like it just melted into my skin and it just gave this beautiful tangerine flush. So I absolutely love it. And now I do have a Dior lip to pair with this. I have this Dior Lip Tint in Natural Tea. This is the finished look. I had so much fun trying out this new Dior makeup today, and I could not love my Bezos Air Noir 2 earbuds more. Their cloud design is like nothing else. They feel so good in your ears. You're totally pain-free. If you're like me, earbuds used to give me a lot of pain and I wound up purchasing the big ones, but actually these are so much better because they're so lightweight, they're not bulky, they're not heavy. The larger headphones that I actually purchased wound up somehow putting pressure on my head and actually hurting my head, but these are totally pain-free. The design is stunning. The case is so beautiful, especially to just use it as your compact to do your makeup. It's just so stylish and so luxurious. These would make an amazing gift for any lady in your life. be it yourself or a loved one. And believe it or not, these charge up in 1 hour, then they stay fully charged for up to 30 hours. So this is so phenomenal, and I'm so glad that I was able to pick these up, and I couldn't wait to share them with you beauties. I also love how they go with a variety of different outfits. Whatever outfit I'm wearing, I feel like they accentuate the outfit, they add to my outfit because these are so stylish looking, and just carrying the compact looks so beautiful with any outfit that you're wearing. So that's another thing about these stunning earbuds that I absolutely love. They are the ultimate accessory for your look, and also for getting that noise cancellation, for getting that incredible surround sound for your music or for your podcast, or just to cancel out the noise around you. These are phenomenal. So thank you for coming and spending time with me today and testing out this new Dior makeup. Let me know if you've tried any of these. Have you tried the Air Nora 2 from Bezos? Let me know down below. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.